channel. Please subscribe and ring the bell icon for more updates. So now it's raining outside and today I'll make 2 types of pakoda. So let's get started. So here is breadcrumbs, sliced onion, coriander leaves chopped, green chili, ginger garlic paste, besan, water and salt. So now first I'll give here, and also red chili powder and turmeric. So first I'll give here the sliced onion. Now the coriander leaf. And now the green chili. And now I will give here the besan. 4 tablespoons. Now the salt. Now the red chili powder according taste. Turmeric powder, and coriander leaves. The ginger garlic paste. Now we'll give water for the dough. And now more water to make a fine dough. Now the dough is almost done. Just a little mixing. And now I'll fry it. Now I'll heat some oil. The onion pakoda here. medium flame, I'll fry it. Now I'll fry it. Now just the little fry I will do. It's almost done. It's very simple and easy, and it's 5 minutes onion pakoda. And more in this weather, more good, more tasty in this weather. Just in a tea time, it will more good goes with tea. It's crispy and yummy. Just when it will fry, I will show you. Just see the golden brown color is coming here. Then it will almost done. When the golden brown colors comes, means almost done. Just a little more fry. See, the color is coming. The golden and brown color is coming here. See, just look at this. This will more good go with tea and especially with coffee. See, it's done. A little more. And now I'll turn on the pakodas. See the pakodas. The color has came. The golden brown color has came. When we put breadcrumbs in any pakoda, it will more crispy. It's more crispy. Now it's almost done, and finally it has been done. And now I'm taking out all the pakodas into a dish. Now friends, I am going to make my next pakoda. Let's get started. Here is maida, all-purpose flour, salt, chopped red chili, finely chopped onion, water, 2 eggs. So first here I'll give the finely chopped onion. And now tightly beat it for more good and tight combined. See the combined, the condensing. And now beat more hardly. When we beat more hardly, the pakoda will be more fluffy. The egg pakoda will be more fluffy. Beating is the main thing of this pakoda. And now the batter is done. See the condensing consistency. See the consistency. And now I'll fry it. See. How it's coming, how it's going fluffy. Just see this. It's very tasty and it's very soft. See this one. And now I'll fry it in medium flame, not high. In this lockdown and in this rainy season, this is must to make at home in tea time. And this is a perfect time. Children will love it. A little more frying. See how fluffy it is being. No? Just more fluffy. More fluffy it will be, more tasty it will be. And now it's almost done. These two pakoras are really easy and perfect in this rainy season. And especially in tea time. Coffee. And now it's done. I will serve it in a dish. Now I'm turning off the gas. It's full in that done. And now it's both sides done. And now I'll serve it. See how fluffy it's been. No? How fluffy. See how both pakoda is done. The egg pakoda and the onion pakoda. So it's time for testing. Awesome. Just super. Thank you. And now the egg pakoda. This is also super. Just see how fluffy it is. Super. Both recipes are superb. And now it's ready to serve with hot tea and coffee. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe. And thank you friends for watching the video. Please tell me in comments what more recipe you want to know from me.